Tired of dealing with endless piles of leaves? Finding the best leaf mulcher for a large yard can turn hours of cleanup into minutes of effortless shredding. Whether you need power, efficiency, or durability, the right mulcher will keep your lawn tidy and nutrient-rich all season long. Let's explore the top choices. Number 1. Worx WG for 3013 amp electric leaf mulcher. For homeowners looking for an efficient way to manage yard waste, the Worx WG for 3013 amp electric leaf mulcher is a must-have tool. This powerful mulcher boasts a 13.0 amp motor capable of processing up to 53 gallons of leaves per minute, making cleanup a breeze. Its innovative flex-align mulching system provides an impressive 11:1 mulch ratio, reducing large piles of leaves to a fraction of their original size. Despite its sturdy build, it remains portable at just 20 pounds, making it easy to move around the yard as needed. The unit allows for direct disposal of mulched leaves into an attached bag, not included, simplifying collection and disposal. Assembly is effortless, requiring no tools, and it disassembles just as quickly for compact storage. Worx tools are known for their cutting-edge design and long-lasting performance, and the WG for 30 is no exception. Whether you're dealing with seasonal leaf fall or maintaining a pristine lawn, this electric mulcher offers a cost-effective and eco-friendly solution to yard waste management. Designed with convenience and efficiency in mind, this model is perfect for homeowners who want to keep their outdoor space clean with minimal effort. With its outstanding performance and user-friendly features, the Worx WG for 30 ensures that managing leaves is no longer a tedious task, but a quick and effective process. Number 2. Black Decker Electric Leaf Blower. The Black Decker Electric Leaf Blower is a powerful and versatile tool designed to tackle all your yard cleaning needs. As a 3-in-1 device, it functions as a leaf blower, vacuum, and mulcher, offering a comprehensive solution for outdoor maintenance. The high-powered motor delivers airspeeds of up to 250 miles per hour with an airflow of 400 cfm, ensuring rapid and efficient leaf and debris removal. Ideal for clearing hard surfaces or vacuuming leaves from your yard, this tool makes cleanup effortless. The Power Boost feature delivers extra power at the push of a button, giving you greater control over performance. A flexible tube enhances maneuverability, making it easier to navigate tight spaces while vacuuming. The reusable bag, featuring a roll and clip design, simplifies emptying with a wide opening for quick disposal. Unlike gas-powered alternatives, this corded electric model offers unlimited runtime, making it perfect for larger jobs without interruptions. Included with the unit are essential accessories such as a blow tube, vac tube, and a backpack bag, ensuring you have everything needed for effective yard maintenance. Whether you're managing seasonal leaf piles or keeping your outdoor space pristine, this electric leaf blower is a reliable and efficient choice. With its powerful performance, user-friendly design, and multifunction capabilities, the Black Decker Electric Leaf Blower is an excellent addition to any home landscaping toolkit. Number 3. SuperHandy Electric Leaf Mulcher Shredder. The SuperHandy Electric Leaf Mulcher Shredder is a high-performance machine designed for efficient and eco-friendly yard waste management. Equipped with 3 11-inch blades spinning at 4,100 RPM, this mulcher ensures rapid and effective shredding of leaves, grass, and small clippings. Unlike gas-powered alternatives, this unit operates on a robust 15 amp, 1800-watt electric motor, providing powerful performance while remaining quiet and environmentally friendly. Designed for convenience, the mulcher includes 2 sturdy 6-inch wheels, allowing users to transport it effortlessly across different terrains. The instant start switch provides hassle-free operation, while overload protection ensures long-term reliability and safety. This machine is intended for outdoor use and requires a compatible extension cord and a GFCI outlet for optimal performance. Meeting rigorous safety standards, it provides peace of mind for users while delivering exceptional results. Whether you need to clear seasonal leaves or dispose of small yard debris, this mulcher offers an efficient and eco-conscious solution. Its sturdy build, powerful operation, and safety-first design make it an ideal choice for homeowners and garden enthusiasts. With the SuperHandy electric leaf mulcher shredder, maintaining a clean and organized yard has never been easier, making it a valuable investment for anyone seeking a practical, high-quality mulching solution. Number 4. Worx 12-amp Trivac 3-in-1 electric leaf. The Worx 12-amp Trivac 3-in-1 electric leaf blower is a top-tier tool designed to simplify outdoor maintenance. With its unique 3-in-1 functionality, it serves as a blower, vacuum, and mulcher, providing comprehensive yard cleanup capabilities. Its 600 CFM airflow ensures powerful performance, allowing users to clear large areas quickly and efficiently. One of its standout features is the impressive 16:1 mulch ratio, reducing 16 bags of leaves into just one, significantly minimizing yard waste and disposal hassle. The quick-release bag allows for seamless composting or collection, streamlining the cleanup process. Designed with ease of use in mind, this unit enables convenient one-handed operation, making it a user-friendly choice for homeowners. The 2-speed settings provide flexibility, allowing users to adjust the airflow for various cleaning tasks, from tight corners to wide open spaces. Built with durability and innovation, the Worx Trivac features a robust 12-amp motor, ensuring long-lasting reliability. The package includes a 1.4-bushel collection bag, adding to its efficiency. Whether you're clearing leaves after a storm or maintaining your yard throughout the seasons, this tool delivers powerful, consistent results. With its combination of efficiency, durability, and ease of use, the Worx 12-amp Trivac 3-in-1 electric leaf blower is an excellent investment for anyone looking to simplify their yard maintenance routine. Number 5. GreenSweep Vac Blow. The GreenSweep Vac Blow is an all-in-one yard maintenance tool designed for ultimate convenience. Combining a powerful vacuum, blower, and mulcher in a single compact machine, this tool makes leaf and debris cleanup effortless. The robust 1800W 13-amp motor generates wind speeds of up to 160 miles per hour, ensuring efficient debris removal and high-volume suction for fast and effective cleaning. Designed for multiple surfaces, it easily clears leaves from pathways, driveways, lawns, and artificial turf, eliminating the need for back-breaking manual labor. Unlike traditional raking or sweeping, the walk-behind design allows users to clean large areas with minimal effort. The built-in mulching function reduces debris at a 10:1 ratio, maximizing the collection capacity while minimizing waste. Whether you're tackling seasonal leaf piles or maintaining a well-kept yard, the GreenSweep Vac Blow is a reliable and high-performance choice. Its powerful motor, versatile design, and user-friendly features make it an essential tool for homeowners who want an efficient and effective way to manage outdoor debris. With this machine, yard maintenance becomes a simple and stress-free task, saving time and effort while keeping outdoor spaces clean and tidy. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.